Okay, so I bent up, well, didn't bend up. I cut up this little bar right here just for a little crossbar, and then I bent this up. This will look like, oh, get the hood in line. Look like so. Just sits like that, right along the hood. Doesn't exactly line up. It's more of like a CJ style looking, like it's, I don't know, it's a little different, but it's fine, it'll work. Then once the hood's actually in its real place here, there we go, scoot it over a little bit, and it lines up almost dead with the outside. So I'm gonna put these tiny little bars right here, just fill those in, hold this where it goes. Then now I can still, if I tilt it forward just a hair bit, I can still open the hood. I don't have my big fat thumb in the way, but it does still let the hood open and close if it tilts out just a hair. So it is pretty much ready to go on, and that is what I'm getting ready to do. I'll take this apart, flux it and everything, and then we will braze it on. We are good, it looks like, at least. Let that cool down a little bit. Then we will jam on this hoop, like so. Let's go. Check it all out, make sure we got a good joint. It looks brazed all the way around. Drop the hood down just a hair. Looks even-ish. Now we gotta wait for it to chill, and we'll be right back. I mean, that's hot, still. Well, shit. Okay, so now, I made up these two little tab bar things and got them about as straight as possible. This one's a little cattywampus still, but it's hard to move. There we go. Now we're pretty much straight. And then that actually holds the hood hinges back and forth so the hood doesn't flop around and everything. And then now we will put those in after I take the hood off real fast like. And then this thing will be one step closer to being done. Really all I have to do at that point is I've got to tie in this front bar somehow to these bars here. And then, I don't know, maybe make a little stinger or something. I am going to have this thing Cerakoted, so I've got to make sure it's done and not just like I'm tired of working on it done, you know. So maybe make a stinger, maybe make some sort of bar that goes up and kind of connects everything. I'm not real sure yet, but that is to come, and all I know is this thing's getting closer to being done. That's all I know, and that's all I care about. So let's see if we can burn these in without melting anything else. Wish me luck. Final measurement, 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches. Boom to the shakalaka. Cool, 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 cool.